Jesus, why are you taking me through troubled waters?
Because your enemies can't swim.
Then, why do I always feel like I'm failing, struggling?
Because growth doesn't happen in comfort. It's the struggle that strengthens you. Every failure is a step forward. Every weight builds your strength.
Then, why does life feel so painful, so helpless sometimes?
Because it's in your weakness. I stay closest. I shape your heart through pain and show my power through your helplessness.
Oh well, then why do I keep facing disappointment and setbacks?
Disappointment teaches you to trust me. Setbacks teach you to stand again. I am walking with you every step, not to break you, but to lead you to victory.
Okay, final question. Why do I feel so confused, so lost?
Because you've been trying to write your own plan. But if you focus on me, I'll show you the way. I'll make your path clear. Trust me, I've never lost control. If this felt like it was for you, comment below. I trust you, Lord. God bless.